Welcome to the Kagiso Business Workshop. And our focus for today is managing your business. Whenever you are asked, tell us about your business, please include the following 4 points in your pitch. What problem are you solving? What's your unique selling point? What's your story? What do you need?
We manufacture spices and herbs.
Trailblazing women's apparel manufacturing
We
company.
manufacture bricks using rubble from construction areas.
So I think something that people don't ever realize is that a business, it does not have a credit score for itself. There is no credit bureau for a business. So when you come in as a business, as a PTY Limited or a CC, and you say, I would like to apply for finance, here's my financials. One of the most important things that we do is we look at who's the person behind the business, what is their credit score.
We are going to go and engage the real customers. You have made an assumption that there is a problem. Go validate that there is indeed a problem that is worth solving. Does it make sense? So if you said, my market or my customers are youth between the ages of 18 to 25, and they are women, whoever, and they live in Kagiso, create a sample of women who are 20 to 25 who live in Kagiso and go engage with them, speak to them.
I was working for a dealership, one of the big brands, car brands in the country, and I went around and taught dealers that you cannot sell vehicles online. You can sell your business online. You can sell your bags. You can sell your hair products. You can sell your perfumes. You can sell whatever online. Huh? What you have to do is just to be present, because the inquiries are going to be coming like this.
By a show of hands, how many of you met people that you know that you're going to do business with?
It was one of the first things that stood out for me when I met him many years ago, and he guided me through a lot of things. He showed up into spaces.
When you start a business, you have a product and service. You have operation. You have systems. When you look at your business, these three must grow together. They must be aligned as they grow. So a lot of people can have a product, a good product. They run with the product when there are no systems on the ground. If you do that, the chances are that the sales will go out there. You're going to make a lot of money. You're going to make a lot of money, but in 3 months' time, the business that was making a lot of money can even collapse. Because you were not balancing your growth.
Gentlemen, the winner of the pitching competition, right here in Kagiso at the Kagiso Business Workshop. Let's put our hands together for
Concepts are viable.
And our next workshop will be on the 9th of December. We're down in KZN, in Durban.